In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete subscribers in MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into your MailerLite account by going to the website and entering your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on the Subscribers option. This will bring up your full list of contacts, which is where all the subscriber management happens. Now, you need to locate the specific subscriber you want to remove. Use the search bar at the top of the subscriber list and type in their name or email address. Once the contact appears, take a moment to verify that you have the right person by checking their details. It's important to review their information carefully so you don't accidentally delete the wrong subscriber. When you're sure, click on their email address to open their individual subscriber profile. Inside the profile, look for the Actions or Options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a button labeled Actions. Click on it and you'll see a list of available options. Choose Delete from that menu. MailerLite will then show you a warning message explaining that deleting the subscriber is permanent and will remove them from your account entirely. Read this confirmation carefully to make sure you understand the consequences. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Delete or Confirm. Once you do, the subscriber is gone. To verify the removal, go back to the subscriber list and search for that email or name again. If the deletion was successful, they should no longer appear in your results. Now, if you need to delete multiple subscribers at once, return to the main subscriber list. Use the checkboxes next to each contact to select the ones you want to remove. Then, look for the Bulk Actions menu, which typically appears at the top or bottom of the list. Select Delete Selected from that menu. A confirmation dialog will appear, allowing you to review the selected contacts one last time. Confirm the action, and MailerLite will process the bulk deletion. Finally, check the updated list to make sure all the contacts you selected have been removed successfully. And that's it! You have now permanently deleted the subscriber or subscribers from your MailerLite account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.